Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve lives game on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve lives game on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Then this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here in this list you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.